Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Peel and slice 2 pounds of yellow onions into 1/4-inch slices so they cook evenly. Uniform size prevents underdone pieces. Heat a wide Dutch oven and add 3 tablespoons unsalted butter plus 1 tablespoon olive oil to raise the burn point. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons kosher salt and 1 teaspoon sugar over the onions to draw out moisture. Keep a small ramekin with 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce nearby for deglazing later and finishing for depth. Set the heat to medium-low and cook the sliced onions, stirring every 5 minutes for 35 to 45 minutes until they are deep golden brown and sweet. Patience matters. When browned, increase heat briefly and pour in 1/3 cup dry white wine to deglaze, scraping brown bits from the pan bottom for concentrated flavor. Stir in 8 cups beef stock, 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon thyme, bring to a gentle simmer, and let it cook uncovered for 20 minutes so flavors meld smoothly. Adjust oven rack 4 inches from the broiler and preheat to high broil. Ladle hot soup into oven-proof bowls and float 1 slice of toasted baguette on each, then sprinkle 2 ounces grated Gruyere cheese over the bread for each bowl. Place bowls under broiler for 2 to 3 minutes until cheese is bubbly and browned. Watch closely to avoid burning. Garnish with a pinch of parsley and serve immediately, and cool leftovers to room temperature, then refrigerate within 2 hours in airtight containers for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.